Welcome to our randomized A/B testing of marketing accelerator demo in aletryx. A/B testing, also known as split testing, is a marketing experiment wherein you split your audience to test variations on a campaign and determine which performs better. In other words, you can show version A of a piece of marketing content to one half of your audience and version B to another. Our approach is very simple and based on 3 tenets. 1. Earn trust. 2. Be business outcomes focused. 3. Execute flawlessly. In this video, we will explore how aletryx can help businesses conduct randomized A/B testing to optimize website performance. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of using aletryx to filter, cleanse, and analyze data, allowing you to make data-driven decisions with confidence. So, let's dive in. Now we can go through some use case. Imagine you're the marketing manager of a company that has just launched a new website. You want to evaluate its performance by comparing it to the old website in terms of generating traffic. Randomized A/B testing is the perfect method to achieve this objective. By conducting this test, you can identify if the new website is generating more traffic and determine its impact on the company's success. Before diving into the testing process, we need to ensure our data is clean and well-structured. This step is known as data preparation, and aletryx simplifies this process. 1. Import your input dataset into aletryx. aletryx seamlessly imports your dataset, providing you with the necessary foundation for analysis. 2. Use aletryx's data cleansing tools to filter and cleanse the data. aletryx's powerful data cleansing tools enable you to filter out any unnecessary or invalid data, ensuring the integrity of your analysis. 3. Convert the string data type to an integer using the select tool. aletryx's select tool allows you to convert the data type, ensuring accurate calculations and comparisons. 4. Create the control and treatment groups using the formula tool. The formula tool enables you to define the groups for the A/B test, ensuring accurate segmentation and analysis. 5. Use the summarize tool to group and identify visits, clicks, and user types. The summarize tool allows you to group data based on employee accounts, IP addresses, and groups, helping you analyze visits, clicks, and user types. 6. Identify non-employee users and users unfamiliar with the company using the filter tool. 7. Apply the test of means tool to determine statistical significance. By utilizing aletryx's test of means tool, you can calculate the p-value and determine if the mean values of the control and treatment groups are significantly different. After performing the analysis, we can generate valuable insights from the data. 1. Group the number of unique clicks for the 2 websites using the summarize tool. 2. Visualize the results using the crosstab tool. The crosstab tool enables us to present the results in a clear and tabular format, making it easier to interpret and draw conclusions. 3. Rename the table columns for clarity using the select tool. In conclusion, by leveraging aletryx's powerful data preparation and analysis capabilities, we have successfully evaluated the performance of the new website. Our analysis reveals that the old website generated more revenue for the company. aletryx empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize website performance, and drive success. Start using aletryx today and unlock the potential of your A/B testing. Thank you for joining us in this video. Inquire about our complete marketing accelerators bundles. Follow us and like us on LinkedIn and visit our marketing accelerator page, www.fugetroncorp.com/marketing-accelerator. Thank you and see you soon for a live demo.